Hi, this is Jennifer Rocket Charlie, and today I want to show you how to use Kahoot. It is an incredible assessment tool, excuse me, that is new to me, but is very exciting. So the first thing you do is go to getkahoot.com, and it shows up in mine as Making Learning Awesome. Once you get there, you can see how it works. Learn happy, learn loud. Using Kahoot is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can simply go through the instructions, how to create a new Kahoot. You can create a survey, a quiz, a discussion. It instructs you on how to play, kind of what it looks like as you're asking questions and what students are going to respond on their phone or tablet or device. And then how to share it with others. You can sign up for free by going here. I'm going to sign in just to show you what it looks like when you've signed in. And mine is already saved, so you can see what the opening screen looks like. I already have one Kahoot that I've created. I can show you what that looks like. So I go into My Kahoots, and this particular quiz is a genetics vocab quiz. In order to make another one, I can go up to the top left corner where it says New K. I can create a new Kahoot. For example, I can choose if I want to do a quiz, a discussion, or a survey. Let's see, we'll just make another quiz. And I can give the quiz a name, and we can say Intro to Kahoot. Go. Okay, you can choose images if you want to click an image for the background of your quiz. You can type a question up at the top. You can choose to bold it. You can include italicizing, as well as other components. So I can just say, what website do you go to in order to start Kahoot? That's a simple question. Points question, you can choose if it's worth points or not. You can choose your time limit from anywhere from 5 seconds to up to 2 minutes, and 20 seconds seems to be pretty standard. You can also see up at the top right that you have a character limit for how much you can type in any particular question. So you can see how many characters you have. I'm going to skip the picture part. You type in the answers at the bottom, so we'll type in the right answer. Let's see, and we'll just make something up. In order to let Kahoot know which answer is correct, you go down and you click on the right answer and change it to correct. If you want to just continue with that one question, you would hit save and continue. If I want to add a question, I can go to add a question, and then I can add in question number 2. If I want to cancel that, I can hit cancel. I can save and exit. I can stay on page. I can just exit entirely. I can go with, what is my first name? Something simple. I can add another question. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put the answers. Sometimes that happens. But there's lots of helpful reminders. And that would be my correct one. Then you hit save and continue. Save and continue. You can reorder questions if you would like to. Before you finish, tell them a little bit more about this quiz. This one is obviously an intro. If I wanted to tag it under science, I could say science for 7th grade, and it would add a particular tag. You can add several tags if you want, which is helpful for if you're going to share yours with others. You can make the privacy settings public or private. This one I'm going to make private. Primary audience, school, university, training, any kind of event. Save and continue. Now, I think Kahoot is a fantastic tool for kids. In order to play, you can hit play now. You can choose options for your quiz, whether or not you want to display the game pin, which is how the students are going to get to the actual quiz. If you want to randomize the order of questions, answers, play music while waiting, it's actually kind of fun. So I will do it just to show you. Also show minimized intro instructions. And then you hit launch. Ready to join. Kids go to kahoot.it on their phones. They enter in the PIN Okay, once they've entered this particular pin, you can hear the music, their name will show up on the screen. So if I do this here and I enter in the pin, 894626, they have Halloween themed music right now. I can go, my name will be on screen, we start, 2 questions. You choose the answer, and then it's all submitted. So if I'm scrolling down, it's asking me what that question is. You can see how to choose the answers. And I am going to go ahead and skip, just for sake of time, to show you kind of how it works. And then it will show a scoreboard, how many points I have compared to others. And I think this is really exciting. The kids love to compete. They love to be winning. And I plan to use it in my classroom to assess their knowledge of vocabulary.